today's video we're looking at a Westfalia. I'm not sure how that's pronounced. Westfalia, German company by the looks of it. So it's a multi-purpose torch. Art 4766 48. So it did come with some batteries already installed. So high watt HW high watt battery Inc. Co Limited. So yeah, I'll put these here so you can have a look at the design. So that's the box. 0% mercury and 0% cadmium. R6AA-UM3, R6V 1.5. I know some people are interested in weird looking design batteries, so there you go. I always used to enjoy the batteries used to get from Hong Kong, which had pictures of storks on and things and wildlife, which always seemed a bit funny. So yeah, let's open this up and see what's inside. So we'll have some instructions, seem to be in German already. Oh no, then English on the back. So you can insert normal batteries, which would then probably are zinc, cadmium and mAh rechargeables. So yeah, recharge time is approximately 15 hours. So also you can use this as a recharge station as well. Not that one you would use that. Seems a long time to charge some batteries, 15 hours. So it's got replaceable bulbs, it doesn't have any LEDs. So yeah, I haven't seen them in a while. I wonder if you can actually still buy them. So let's open the top here and put in some batteries. So which way did they go? Yeah, so did this have any instructions on it? No, I suppose I just have to guess. Oh wait, there's some printed on the inside, which is hard to see. So yeah, the plus ones go on this side, the lights shine up, and the minus go that way. So that's badly printed on one side, that's why I didn't see, because it just looks like it's some kind of slash movement. Wow, that's tough getting that on. So let's light it up and see what happens. No way, the batteries are dead. So I'm going to have to pause this video and get some batteries, unless I put them in the wrong way. Yeah, it looks like they're probably dead. Yeah, let's get some rechargeable batteries and see what's happening. Anyway, I've got some batteries and let's get rid of these in over here and try out some reliable Poundland Specials Kodak rechargeables. Yeah, I said they're reliable, I'm just joking. They don't seem to fit in much. Yeah, that's working now. So let's turn that off. not really. That's some badly designed locking mechanism there. So it's finally down. So we've got the, is that tungsten light? Probably. So that's off. And that turns on the front light, which is a bulb also. And so that's off. And that's the backlight. It's a flashing backlight. I'm not entirely sure what this is for, but you can see the DC in, so you can probably power it by plug, and you can recharge the batteries apparently for 15 hours, which is rather long. So yeah, the front one, top one, and I think that's off. Yep, weird design. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.